In this video, we'll take a look at the global color palette support in the Iconix platform. When building user interfaces, defining standard objects and styles is critical to the ongoing maintenance of the project. This is especially relevant where there is a large team working on the user interface, or you have multiple sites where each site will have its own deployment team. Let's have a look at a typical example. Let's open Graphworks64, our user interface designer, and select a symbol from the symbol library. In this example, I've selected a smart symbol, which exposes properties in the Property Inspector. We will go into more detail about smart symbols in another video, but for now, I'd like to just set the fill color. The project brief specified dark red as the color to be selected, so we'll select the fill and browse the color from the color picker. If later on another team member was updating the display and needed to add another symbol, they too would select dark red color from the color picker, but it may not quite be the same as what was previously selected. Going forward, this could get messy. The Iconix Global Color Palette allows you to define named colors for your project that are centrally defined within the global aliasing configuration. This provides a single, central location to define your project colors and themes. It provides the ability to select a named color in your objects. Let's take a look. I'll take the same symbol as before, and this time, instead of a solid color, I'll select a global color and pick one of the named colors that has been defined. I'll do the same for the needle fill color. The added benefit of a global color is that it behaves in the same way as global aliases, so I can define multiple color themes and switch between them in runtime. I can also provide this in the form of buttons as a command for operators to control. To do this, I'll add a button and set the command to set global color theme. Themes can also be controlled by events. So for example, you could change the color scheme of the UI to signify a specific condition, such as an emergency or the day-night mode on the bridge of a ship. Let's have a look at how this is configured. I'm going to open the Workbench Integrated Development Environment and select the Global Aliasing configuration, which is under Platform Services in my project. If I edit the color palette, you can see that there are a number of theme items defined, and in each item, I can specify a color name and define the color. Color configurations can also be imported and exported for sharing across multiple teams or to import corporate color schemes. All components within the Iconix platform support the global color palette, including controls such as trends, grids, and alarms for both WPF and HTML5, so rich and complex UI color themes can be defined across any device. To learn more, connect with us at the links below.